to the end of rhymes with these lines in my mind. Breaking the memory bank, spending my time in my prime. Difference between yours and mine, that I was born in and never knew how to lose. Cause I was born when it been torn and tormented, trying to please all of the people when it doesn't add up. Shit, you ain't even my equal, premium like diesel. My pen is like a needle, where I let the ink pen spill, the injections are lethal. The depth my mind die, cause the skull crushing pressure. Holla if you feel me, cause real is my texture. Just met you, but the message wanna share it cause you need it. Never tell me it'd be another book by my cover, but to read it. I refuse to be mistreated by my own kind, never see the present, risk the future behind the closed minds. You feel me? Look up in the sky at night and take sight of your guiding light. Headed to the highest height of Risto, taking flight to a whole new world on the quest to find hope. I done lost my damn mind, now I'm trying to find both. Can you help me? See the brothers of success succeed. The book of Dow Jones has killed all my enemies, so I proceed by enemies, enemy and mighty more. Right rhyme design that they can fit inside your soul. Even with your eye closed, you still see Aristo. Feel the whispers in the wind, but did you hear the whistle?